Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you two simple ways to free download image without watermark from paid stock sites. Enjoy watching. For the first way, download images from the paid stock sites. Then, write in Google, search image by photo. After that, search this image without watermark. If you find them, I recommend downloading image by Google extension to download the photo or via the code page. I don't recommend downloading image by the right click, because you can download image in higher resolution than the previous way of downloading. If you don't find image in the Google without watermark, this is happened for me. Or you find a poor quality image, this is happened to me too. Second way is for you! Woohoo! For it, go to the site downloader.la. Then you find a lot of websites from what you can remove with the watermark. Site where I download an image is iStock, so I click on iStock icon. Then copy URL of an image on the site where I download this image. Click download now. If all is well, just click on image and then download by right clicking and selecting save image as. If something wrong, click double the size of your image while reducing noise, and then make same as before. As you see, second way is faster and better, not always, but the most. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Rub a like and share this video with friends, because it helped me a lot with promoting this channel. Good luck and see you in the next one. До встречи.